Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for another practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我是林泽修。修
啊，修诶，修。
哎呦 ，Alice 这么亲切的这样叫我了，真的不好意思，拍谁啦？That is my Hakka name, by the way. Welcome to this practical Hakka, and this month we're talking about everyday vocabulary. But you know, let's talk about something that's more meaningful. 今天呢，讲一些比较有意义的事情哦。我们来谈谈节约好了。
所以都要来上。
啊，什么上？你
就是要
在上什么东西？
省咯。
Oh, that means save. 省。
对啊。上。
I like the tone of that. All right. Saving energy is what we're going to teach you today. For instance, you got to remember to turn off the faucet, okay? 就是随时要记得要关水。
我记得。
水是
关水。
关掉水龙头就可以省下很多钱嘛，对不对？但常常我们离开一个房间呢，就会忘记要关灯，就会说别忘了关灯。
所以呢，就要讲好唔记得。
哎，这表示不记得咯。对。哎，好复杂。It's like two negatives. It means don't forget. Okay. 好唔记得。
管天火。关灯。那海陆腔呢？关天火。
Okay, that's a different dialect for turning off the lights. So don't forget to turn off the lights. Okay, that's another way to save energy. Then there are taglines reminding people don't waste electricity or don't waste water. 不要浪费电或水。怎么说？
好大送。
哎，大送是什么？
浪费。
哦，
那我们今天叫
好
大送。
Okay, 好大送 means waste. Okay, do not waste electricity or water.
天劳水。
天劳水 Okay, that's electricity or water. Finally, if you save all this energy, you're going to save money. 其实除了为了不要浪费资源之外呢，也是省钱啦，对不对？所以有一句话就叫省电省水又省钱。上天下地狱。不是，你要上天呢，下地。
上天就是省电。
下海。
上水。
不是哦。OK， 上天。
上水。
上水。
又上钱。
又上钱。我们刚刚讲的上。
对。
就是省。Got it. Okay. If you save electricity, if you save water, you're gonna save money. That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么Hakka？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.